Good morning students. Today we are going to start with new chapter number 9, wind. Wind. What are the learning points? Wind has speed. Wind has speed. Wind has a definite direction. Wind has a definite direction. Wind has a force. Wind has a force. Uses of wind. We will see what are the uses of wind. Now what is wind? Firstly, what is the meaning of wind? Moving air is called wind. The air which is moving is called wind. We cannot see wind. We cannot see this wind. We cannot see the moving air. We cannot see wind, but we can feel the wind. As you can see that we cannot see the air, but we can breathe it, we can feel it. Same, moving air is called wind, but we cannot see that wind, we can only feel the wind. Wind has speed. First point, wind has speed. How? We will see. On some days, a gentle air blows. Gentle means very slow. On some days, a gentle air blows. It is called a breeze. Breeze means very light and cool wind. Very light and cool wind. On a windy day, wind blows at a high speed. You can observe this. Sometimes the air blows is very slow, cool, but on some days, means on a windy days, when there is winter, the wind blows at a very high speed. You can see that, you can feel that the air is in a very high speed. Switch on a table. How you can see a high speed? Now see. Switch on a table fan. See, here is a table fan. Adjust it on a low speed. You have to adjust. There are buttons on the table through which we can adjust the speed of the air. So, adjust it on a low speed. Air moves very gently. Means you can see that air is slow. It is moving in a very slow direction. Adjust the fan on a high speed. Now you can press the button of high speed. Small pieces of paper and other light things fly. See here in the picture you can see that when she gives a high speed to the fan, the small papers around her table are flying. This shows wind has speed. This shows that the wind is having the speed. If you want a very low speed, you can put it on the low speed. If you want a high speed, you can put it on the high speed. Wind has a definite direction. Means wind has a direction. Normally, the wind blows in a particular direction. Normally, whenever you can see a wind blows in a particular direction, means in one direction. Take a handful of sand. What you have to do? Whenever you go through a beach side or a river side, there is a sand nearby it. You can take a handful of sand. See, this boy has taken a handful of sand. Raise your hand. You have to raise your hand and drop the sand slowly. And you have to drop the sand from your hand slowly. You will see that the sand flies in the direction. You will see that the sand is flying in the one direction in which the wind blows. The sand is flying in a direction through which the wind is flowing. This shows that wind has a definite direction. This shows that the wind has one direction. Now what is wind has a force? We will see in the next video. Thank you.